Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to configure private cloud system on Ubuntu 20.04 using Apache CloudStack open source cloud computing. This is my server information, operating system Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version, all server. This is same operating system and service Apache CloudStack version 4.15. This is latest release and stable version. So this is Cloud ACS server IP address and KVM server IP address, NFS server IP address. This is two NFS share, primary and secondary. When I deploy setup zone, so two NFS share needed. So I check operating system version and IP address and all service status. Ubuntu 20.04 and IP address. This is my cloud management server and this is KVM server IP address and this is NFS server Ubuntu 20.04 and IP address. KVM server must be needed physical server because of this is system of virtualization must be enabled, otherwise you cannot be create any instance. KVM network is very critical, many issue when you deploy on your network. So please see my previous video for setup CloudStack management server and setup KVM server and setup NFS server, all server setup video, and you can find from my channel or video description. So now I going to web login and try to set up basic zone. Continue with basic installation. Change your admin password. Let's add a zone. What is a zone? You can read a very small thing. A zone is the largest organization unit within a CloudStack deployment. A zone typically corresponds on a single data center. So you can read all information. Then next and add zone. This is zone name. So I type zone name, cloud zone, DNS, use public DNS, internal DNS. If you have any internal DNS, so you can use, but I have no now any internal DNS, so I use public DNS, no problem. Then continue. Let's add a pod. What is pod? A pod often represent a single rack. Hosts in the same pod are in the same subnet. This is physical rack. Click OK and add a pod. This is any pod name, cloud pod, gateway. This is pod information, gateway, my local network gateway, and netmask, IP range. This is my local gateway and netmask, IP range 1 to 10. Then click continue. Add a guest network, gateway, netmask and IP range, netmask and IP range 20 to 50. Then click continue. Let's add a cluster. What is a cluster? A cluster provides a way to group hosts. The hosts in a cluster all have identical hardware, run the same hypervisor, are on the same subnet and access the same shared storage, virtual machine instance like VM. Can you live migrate from one host to another within the same cluster without interrupting service to a user? A cluster is the third largest organizational unit within a CloudStack. Deployments are contained within pods and pods are contained within zone. CloudStack allow multiple cluster in a cloud deployment, but for a basic installation we only need one cluster. So click continue. add a cluster. My hypervisor is a KVM, and any cluster name, I use cloud. Then continue, let's add a host. What is a host? A host is a single computer. Computer provides the computing resources that run the guest virtual machine. Each host has hypervisor software installed like KVM, XenServer, on a manage on the guest VM, except for bare metal host, which are a special case discussed in the advanced installation guide. For example, a Linux KVM enable server, a Citrix server, and ESXi server are hosts in a basic installation. We use a single host running a XenServer or KVM. The host is the smallest organizational unit within a cloud stack deployment. Hosts are contained within cluster, cluster are contained within pod, and pods are contained within zones. Add a host. This is my host information. Host means KVM server IP and root password, root user and root password. Then click continue. Let's add a primary storage. What is a primary storage? A cloud stack, cloud infrastructure makes use of two types of storage, primary storage and secondary storage. Both of those can be iSCSI or NFS server or local disk. So I am use NFS server. This is separate server. Primary storage is associated with a cluster and it stores the disk volume of each guest VM for all the VMs running on the hosts in that cluster. The primary storage server is typically located close to the host. Okay, add a primary storage. You can hear any name. I use primary protocol NFS scope cluster. This is server, NFS server IP and location. My NFS server IP, this is my NFS server IP, and this is the primary location, and then click continue. Let's add a secondary storage. What is a secondary storage? Secondary storage is associated with a zone and stores the following like templates, ISO image, disk volume snapshot. Templates OS images that can be used to boot VM and can be include additional configuration information such as included applications. ISO images, operating system images that can be bootable or non-bootable. Disk volume snapshot, save copies of VM data which can be used for data recovery or to create new templates. This is for needed secondary storage. NFS server IP and provides NFS and path home/secondary. Then continue. Congratulations, click the launch button. Yes, now I click the launch button and step by step configure, and I am going to command line for check log file management server, and I see any error, then I resolve this issue. Configure physical network. Okay, I see all is successfully done. Enabling security group provider, that is no primary storage is up. If any issue or if any error, so first you can see log file, then you can see from installation procedure. It will take 10 to 15 minutes for installation process, as your network speed or server speed unable to host, no problem, because of many time CloudStack agent service stop and start. When added this host, something went wrong, you may go back, correct any error, unable to add host. I see this error, unable to add host on CloudStack management server. So now I am trying to resolve this issue and try to upload this video part 2. I hope this is fixed as soon as possible and upload this video. Please wait. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.